Hello everyone! For today's video we will talk about the 5 benefits of Hijama or cupping therapy. Faster pain management. Hijama can help with arthritis, lower back pain, and other problems. It can also treat headaches, migraines, tooth pain, muscular pain, sciatica, and other types of pain. Cupping improves blood circulation. The increased blood flow to that location can aid in relieving muscular tension and promoting cell healing. Cupping increases the blood flow. Cure chronic fatigue syndrome. Hijama or cupping is an excellent therapy for this problem. Lung disease reliever. Cupping is an excellent therapy for respiratory illnesses, such as persistent cough, asthma, bronchitis, and pleurisy. Cupping stimulates the release of toxins from tissues. Cupping stimulates your body's ability to eliminate toxins. Concentrated blood flow benefits your body by removing toxins through the lymphatic system. Book an appointment here at GSM Medical Center.